Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make a DIY photo booth. So all you really need for this is your phone or a tablet, and then everything else I will show you how to make. You can of course do this for any type of party, holiday, occasion that you may have. It doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween. I will show y'all just the basics of what you need to build your DIY photo booth, and you can incorporate and customize it however you would like. So to start off, I will be making this background right here. All you need for this is a sheet. You can get one from Goodwill. This is just an old sheet that I had on hand. You can also use a fabric, or you can use a drop cloth, and all I'm gonna do is take some red paint and just begin splattering that all over the sheet and putting handprints on it and stuff like that, just to really give it a creepy Halloween vibe. Once you finish that, you're just going to let it dry, and then I just used some tacks and I hung it right up on the wall. It was super easy, quick to make, and it's really large, so it's definitely big enough for a photo backdrop. You can also hang some Halloween lights or curtains over that, or you can even do spider webbing just all across the back of wherever your photo booth will be. So next up, I will be talking about the props that you will need for your photo booth. I recommend just using any type of small table that you may have at home. I'm also using an old piece of fabric that I have just to cover it up. And then I picked up some little props from the Dollar Tree as well as the dollar section in Target, just to give my guests something to use if they don't come dressed up. Then they have something that they can use for the photos. I did get the photo props from Amazon. It came as a kit with the sticks and a sticker to use for the back. Also, I made an instructional photo frame. I made this design right on my computer and printed it out on photo paper, and then I'm just going to glue it to a piece of black construction paper and stick it right in this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. This way people will know how to take the photo and how to share it, so it makes it just a lot easier for your guests to know how to use your photo booth. And then as far as lighting, I already have this light that I use to film with, so that's what I will be using. But you can also make your own light. I have this one that I've had for years that Richard made for me. It's just a vanity light that I got from Lowe's, and it's zip tied right to a PVC pipe, or you can even just use a clip-on light which comes ready to go. Then he just took different pieces for the bottom and then 90-degree PVC pipe fittings as well and built the bottom, and then we just spray painted it black so you couldn't tell it was PVC pipe. And this is a really inexpensive way to make your own light. I always still use this light. So now we will talk about how you will run your photo booth. I found that they have lots of apps that you can use. This is the one I will personally be using just because it's really user-friendly and easy to use, and my guests can just take the picture and then send it right to their phone. You can also have a printer Bluetooth to your iPad, and it can print out the photos as people take them, so you do have that option as well. Also, I did choose in the settings of the app to save all of the photos as people take them. That way later on I can look at all the pictures that people took at our party and get a good laugh out of it. So as you can see, this was super easy to make. You can really customize it to whatever type of theme you have going on. All you have to do is grab a prop, get behind the table, and you just click your button, and it takes 4 photos in a row for you, and you can choose to save it, share it, or print it. So it's super easy, quick to use, and it's a lot of fun to have at your party. So that is all for this DIY photo booth. If you have any suggestions of your own, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.